Have you ever asked yourself, why am I still seeking? Why does it always feel like something is missing? Or what if the very idea that you are separate from peace is the reason you haven't found it? Seeking can be the obstacle to finding it. Today, I'll share a simple but life-changing truth behind non-duality, and by the end of this video, you'll hopefully see your reality through completely different eyes. Hi, I'm Lisa Silver from Shangriballa, where we guide seekers like you through real, practical teachings on non-duality and awakening. For now, let's simplify what non-duality really means. Now let's clear up some common misunderstandings on non-duality or non-dual states of awareness. Non-duality isn't about having no thoughts. It's about realizing that you are the space before the thoughts. It's not about becoming detached or emotionless. It is seeing that the feelings come and go, but your true nature remains untouched. It's not an escape from life. It is fully engaging with life, but without clinging or resistance. Many seekers stay stuck because they're chasing a special state. Awakening is realizing the simplicity of what already is there now. So, how do you experience this directly for yourself? First, stop trying to force the experience. Instead, turn inwards and notice the awareness that's always there, the silent presence watching through thoughts come and go, the loving awareness. Right now, as you listen, notice the space between the words, the stillness behind the thoughts. That is you. Don't let it go. You are the loving awareness of your life experiences. At Shangriballa, we guide you to deepen this recognition, not just intellectually, but through practical, genuine pointers that you can apply to your daily life, and these are all available inside our school community. Just to wrap up this video, I'd like to invite you to sit for a couple of moments after this video, not trying to reach anything, just resting in this simple being, a truth, and know that you are not broken, you are not incomplete, you are just looking in the wrong place. The door to freedom is open to you, and you are already home. Feel free to join our community on school to go deeper whenever you feel ready. We'll be happy to welcome you.